10" by 14" by 2.5" deep Detroit style pizza pan used by commercial pizzarias. Hard-Anodized, permanent, stick-resistant coating is PTFE free, USA made. No pre-seasoning required or recommended, ready for baking pizza. Easy to bake with, easy to clean, easy to maintain. Heat safe to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, lid sold separately. 10 by 14" Detroit style pizza pan, no pre-seasoning required, made in the USA. Our exclusive Dura-Kote finish is a permanent, non-toxic, stick-resistant coating that eliminates the need for any pre-seasoning and the hassle of maintaining seasoned pans. LloydPans Kitchenware pizza pans provide an easy release from the pan after baking, are metal utensil safe and are easy to clean. These commercial quality pans are the same that are used in Detroit-style pizza restaurants and match size specifications of the original blue steel pans. Made in our U.S. manufacturing plant from heavy-duty anodized aluminum with decay finish, Detroit-style pizza pans from LloydPans will never rust, never need seasoning, and will last for years. Dark-coated pans tend to produce a little darker crust bake, so you may need to adjust your temperature down or shorten your cooking time. Permanent, non-toxic stick-resistant coating for easy release and cleanup. Double-thick flat rim adds strength and long-lasting durability. Nesting, 76 degrees angle allows nesting when empty, saving storage space. Top reviews from the United States. Great lasagna pan. So far I've made 2 lasagnas and 1 pizza. I'm new to the Detroit pizza making, but I've always liked Sicilian-style pizza, which I think is probably the real base origin for Detroit pizza. There is a chain pizza place called Dura-Kote where I grew up that I really want to emulate to bring back some memories. Baked in a deep pan, thick crust, heavy sauce, and cheese, sold by a slice, or a super slice, because one rectangle slice will do it for you. I've made 1 pizza which I would call a Sicilian, not Detroit, because I did not use brick cheese. It was good, crust was golden, little bit crispy and chewy, cooking it at 550 F for 10 minutes and the bottom did not burn, which is a great test for a pan. This pan, I can attest, makes a great 3-layer lasagna, wide top, and deep so it holds it nicely, and I don't have to worry about it overflowing and spilling to the bottom of my oven. A little more work to clean because the tight corners, but that is hardly a point worth mentioning. 5 stars easy.